Hi everyone, I am Rajshekhar Karpuram. I have a question for you. Do you relish freedom? Let's discuss on this further. What is freedom? It's nothing but a power or a right to act, speak, or think as one wants. Somehow or the other way, no one will have a control over how you think. One can influence but cannot control your mind. But it is not the case on how you act or speak. When I born, though I didn't know anything about freedom, I relished it. When I started getting consciousness, my parents taught societal manners that introduced some restrictions on how I speak and act. When I had been to school, I learned that India was ruled by British. Our freedom fighters fought a lot to get independence. Eventually, we won. I realized the fact that our ancestors sacrificed their lives so that we can relish the benefits of freedom. Are we cherishing it? When I started moving forward in my education, people around me started advising to choose my subjects wisely. Otherwise, I won't get a job that can fulfill my needs. Of course, it is entirely my decision and no need to blame others for that. But we are in a society where a lot of insecurities exist and imposed on us. That's the way I lost my freedom to choose the subject I wanted to learn. Now comes the big battle in the life, searching job. As everyone knew, nothing is easy in this competitive world. To seek a job, I had to learn a lot of things that I didn't even hear of in my academy. See, you don't have the freedom to choose the skill you like. You have to learn what your field demands. You abide by the market requirements. After a great struggle, I got a job, but getting a job is just the first step of settling down in the life as defined by my relatives or society or people around me. Though I started earning money, I felt like I lost financial independence as I had to pay off debts caused by my education and other loans. Once you pay off debts, the next step is waiting, getting married. Yes, I got married, gave birth to a couple of kids. We have a life cycle for our lives, though we have not designed it. Get married, give birth to kids, purchase a house or apartment if possible, buy a car, nurture your kids, make them study well, earn well, make them get married, fall into the same life cycle. Once you grow old, you will be diagnosed with a disease. Either you start being a patient forever or wait for your death. Now, you might be thinking why I'm talking regressively, but it is a fact. I know I receive two kinds of reactions from people for this question. There will be first set of people who might question me. You had freedom, but you do not have the guts to make your decision. But you blame society and others around you. Yes, it is not me alone. 80% of middle class mentalities do not have the guts to take or make their decision or chase their dreams. There is a second set of people who might think that my life is going as it should be. Yes, we all have that programmed mindset that accepts that the life cycle prescribed by this society works well for us. A lot of great personalities inspired me, but in this context, Ram Gopal Verma alias RGB, is one of a very few persons who leveraged the freedom to the maximum extent possible to live happily. I know people call him a narcissist or self-obsessed. I do agree with them. But if we start living within the boundaries of the life cycle mentioned above, we are just pretending to be living happily. I accept that we need education, profession, money, companion, etc. But my only question is, have we leveraged the freedom in pursuing these aspects or not? I do accept that we should not be self-centered, selfish, and we should be abiding by the law, etc. However, when one does not spend time with them, does not listen to the body or mind, does not utilize the freedom of speech or expression in the way it should be, does not speak or act due to the hesitations imposed by this society, then there is no difference between being in a jail or being independent. Congrats if you are living the way you want to, otherwise, better late than never trying one. Talk to yourself to know what you want. You may not be able to change your profession, educational background, or other main aspects of your life, but you can try those little things that does matter to you. Let's say if you are a travel freak, you can start spending some money on that, of course, after COVID-19. If you like to be alone, take some time for yourself, just for yourself. If you like to meet your old friends to be nostalgic, go ahead. Have the food you always wanted to. Do those simple things which gives you joy that others might think stupidity or silly. If you want to explore more on spiritual aspects, it is the right time. If you want to mingle with strangers, don't hesitate. Spread your presence all over with your personality. At least occasionally, let's start living freely. Get rid of so-called inhibitions. I started doing little things that gives me happiness. To conclude, leverage freedom to release freedom. You have freedom to like or dislike this video. Please do subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell icon. See you in the next video. Until then, bye everyone. Signing off, Rajshekhar Karpuram.